What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network and your favorite, Just the Tip. Guys, we're coming to you today to talk about dashboards and your screens and how to properly clean them. We've had multiple, I'm saying not just multiple, thousands of cars that have come in that have scratch dashes, scratch infotainment systems, and it's all due to the way that they clean. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean these things to make sure that they're looking minty for years to come. Now, old school, and what a lot of people do is whatever towel's in their car, say they spilled some coffee, they spit on it, you see the little dots that are on the screen here, all the fingerprints here, they take their shirt, whatever it might be. Well, that's really hard materials that you're going ahead and when you're wiping it on those screens, it's just scratching it, or honestly, it's just pushing your finger oils and just the oils from the makeup, whatever it might be, that was in the air, all over the place. So we're gonna show you how to properly clean these things. Now guys, there's a few products that we have. One, I'm gonna share with you, because you guys always hear when we say, stay away from ammonia. Ammonia products. Here's exactly one right here that you want to stay away from. It says ammonia right here, ammonia-based professional product. For glass and everything else, we always stay away from ammonia. Although it says it's glass or a streak-free glass cleaner, to stay away from any products that have ammonia in them. So one product that we use here on every single car, spray away glass cleaner. We love this stuff. You can typically get it at most of your local auto shops, including Home Depots and online as well. But we love this, as you can see there, ammonia-free product, still streak-free. And then there's a couple of different microfiber options for you guys as well. We have our standard microfiber, which is actually what we're gonna be using today, knowing that most of you guys probably do not have waffle weave towels at home. These are designed specifically for glass, but since you guys probably don't have these at home, we're gonna go ahead and just use a standard microfiber that's obviously been cleaned properly. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna take your glass cleaner. If your microfiber has the ability to flip around, okay, on the flat surface side, that's what I like to use for whenever we're cleaning these. Never, ever, ever spray. Just a tip, guys, don't ever spray directly on there. One, it's a mess, and two, you will definitely oversaturate it. Like your iPhone, things typically are not meant to be wet. So we're gonna spray directly onto the towel here, just a little bit. Rub it in. Cool. And you're gonna go ahead, and you're just gonna wipe it down. Less pressure. You don't need a lot of pressure. You wipe it wet, and then you can flip it over and lightly wipe it dry. See how easy that was? Next, for your dash racks, you're gonna put the steering wheel all the way down and out. Lock it in. Again, same process. This time, since there is finger oils typically, is what the main part of this is, and spit and just nasty human oils in the air of your car. We're gonna use a clean side. Again, spray just a little bit in there. You don't need a lot. Work it in. Wipe on. Making sure you got it nice and clean. Again, almost no pressure. And flip the microfiber over. Lightly wipe it off. Guys, I just saved you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars right there by not having to go and replace these things in a couple years, or even right away if you damage it with water. If you guys don't feel comfortable using products, you can definitely go ahead and just put a little bit of warm water on here. But whenever you have finger oils and other oils in there, you're gonna need some type of detergent to get those off. Guys, that's your tip of the week. Thanks so much for checking in, and as always, keep shining.